10 simple habits that keep a consistent workout routine. Being consistent with a workout routine is a challenge for many, especially moms. There are so many unexpected things that go on throughout the day that offset your plans to do anything, including working out. Some people are naturally consistent, diligent, and reliable, but others need some help to stick to a plan, including a workout plan. Here's 10 simple everyday workout habits that you can start now to help your fitness journey be a success. 1. Pick the same time of day to work out, no matter what. 2. Wake up at the same time and go to bed at the same time every day. 3. Find a trigger that will always remind you to work out immediately following that trigger. 4. Have a spot designated for your workouts, whether that's in the home or at a gym or a park. 5. Have your fitness clothes easily accessible and ready to put on. 6. Have a workout plan in place. 7. Track your progress on a workout calendar. 8. Write one daily fitness goal every morning and check it off every night. 9. Communicate with your fitness accountability partner daily. 10. Pick a workout that is enjoyable to you. What is your biggest struggle with working out as a busy mom? Continue watching this channel next Monday on how to find time to exercise as a busy mom for more inspiration.